awusoni isakhamuzi sala eNingizimu Afrika hamba awungeni from today hayi namhlanje kuphela from today mongasi South African awusangeni esibhedlela sase South Africa
please.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Abeqoshwa bantu boqhamuka laphana Hillbrow Hospital, labanye bantu guys labangasibala South Africa batikhanze usebemi ngaphandle because they were not allowed to enter inside. They were not allowed ukuthi banikwe ama-services aseclinic, since people are saying ukuthi bathiniwe ubantu boqhamuka because baqedza mithi baqedza amaphilisi bathi bafika esibhedlela bafika emaclinic bathole bathi amaphilisi lathe awekho because lawo maphilisi lawo athathanikwe bantu boqhamuka. So people are saying ukuthi enough is enough. Umuntu nje longasola South Africa angasavumela ukuthi angene esibhedlela athole ama-service or eclinic. So some people are saying ukuthi hey bana ku wrong lokho because nabo bantu why bantu babe ne-xenophobia. Wonke umuntu kufanele be allowed ukuthi athole ama-services aseclinic because amahala. Some people are saying ukuthi yo that's wrong, umuntu sekangaze afe kuba ngasitakala eclinic just because kunemuntu lothi iclinic akafuni ukuthi bangene. But some are saying ukuthi hambani kuma-private hospitals. We are not saying ukuthi sinidinaya kunidinaya but if uyabona ukuthi uyagula, if uyabona ukuthi udzinga amaphilisi udzinga umuthi, hamba ku-private hospital uyositakala khona. Yekelani kuya lapha kuma-public because la ama-public hospital endelwe bantu bala South Africa ukuthi bakhona ukuthola ama-service. And if wena ufika wathatha unwaqedza nabangani bakho boqhamuka, then labanye bantwana bala South Africa kufanele batholeni. So some were saying ukuthi right lo mthetho ukuthi vele abantu boqhamuka they need to go to private hospitals or instead of ma-public. Abaye nje bobhadala imali badele kuma-private. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.